delete our Google search history is pretty simple. We first have to navigate to the top right corner of our profile icon and tap on it. Then when this selected, proceed to tap on manage your Google account. Among the list of items on our left panel, proceed to tap on data and privacy. Then with this selected, allow it a bit of moment to finish loading, and then under our data and privacy, make sure to scroll down until you locate my activity, which is just right here. And this is where we are going to delete our search history. So you can see we have our web and app activity, our timeline, and our YouTube history. So when you scroll down a bit, you have this delete option. So when we tap on this arrow icon, pop-up menu will appear whether we want to delete our search activity for the last hour, for the last day, or always, or we want to delete it within a custom range. So whichever option that best suits you, you can proceed to select on it, and your Google search history will be deleted. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.